Hold it, I want to.
In cloud era, save this. Okay, I'm taking a terminal for SDFS. Now I'm moving this file Hadoop fs-put to SDFS directory Sqoop exp1. Okay, right, I have moved it to the SDFS. Now I'm going to create a MySQL terminal. MySQL -u put p cloud enum use test. I'm going to create a table. Okay, the table name is sqp-exp1 is the table name. It is an integer name varchar. Okay, table is created. You can see select star from sqp-exp1. Okay, now it's empty, right? So I'm going to import. Okay, I'm taking a terminal for the Sqoop. Sqoop export. Okay, then write the connection string connect jdbc colon mysql colon / localhost, and the database name is test, and the table name is sqp exp1 is the table name. Okay, and to run one mapper and specify the location from where in SDFS you want to export. That is export hyphen dir, right? It's available in user, then cloudera sqp exp1 is the SDFS file name, right? And what is the delimiter? Input hyphen. Okay, I wrote the delimiter, that is input space input hyphen fields hyphen terminate by press enter. Now I am going to import the record from export the records from SDFS to MySQL. Okay, exported two records. Now let me check here. Select start from sqpx1, right? One Ajay and two Raju. Okay, right? So this is how to export the data from the SDFS to RDBMS. Now I just want to export only updated data, not the complete data, right? So here I'm taking a file. So for this Raju, I'm changing the name, right? So I'm giving Santosh. Okay, let me save this and let me move this file to SDFS. Hadoop fs-rm Okay, now I'm just copying the new file to the SDFS Hadoop FS input Sqoop X1 to the SDFS Sqoop X1. Okay, now you can check Hadoop FS hyphen cat Sqoop XP1. Right, now we have one Ajay and two is given Santosh. Now I want to update only this value in MySQL. Okay, so then I'm running this command. Okay, the same command here, right? Just add the two parameters here. I'll run this command again. Right, so just write sqoop space export connect jdbc colon mysql colon slash localhost database name is test and the table name is sqp exp1. Okay, is the table name. Okay, so number of mappers 1. Then what we have to do, we have to specify the update key. So then write update hyphen key is the id. Okay, and I want to use only update, not insert, right? So just write update hyphen mode is update only. Okay, then write from where you want export hyphen dir, right? User cloudera then sqp exp1, right? The location in sdfs is sqp ex1 and the delimiter input fields hyphen it is the delimiter. Press enter. Okay, some spelling wrong, let me correct that. Okay, exported 2 records. Now let me check in this MySQL. Now here we have 2 Raju. In the next run it should be changed, right? Right, we got 2 as Santosh. Now, so this is exporting only updated data to the table. Okay, clear Raju?
Yeah.
Yes. So you want me to run this again? I'll change the data again. See here, let me check. I'm giving
Okay.
to Santosh, making this Ajay as Rekha. Okay, and I'm giving 3 to the Rekha. Okay, Now let me run this command. So for this, first I need to copy this file to SDFS. Okay, now I'm running the Sqoop command. So here I need to change the ID, right? So what I'll do, I'll make the is name, right? Update key, I'll make this name, not ID. It will write, it will replace. Okay, it's exported again, two records. Right, so because we are trying to update, because there is no three Rekha is available, so no record is going to be updated, right? So what I'll do, we have two is Santosh is there, correct? Now I'll change this to Santosh to 3 comma Santosh. Okay, I have changed the data like this. Now for this Santosh, I have given the new ID, that is 3. It's a wrong spelling I gave. Santosh, Santosh, we have to give. Santosh. Okay, completed, exported two records. Let me check this in the here. MySQL. Right, now we got 3 Santosh. Okay, so this is how to update the existing up to update the changes into the MySQL. Okay, so the query I wrote is it's simple. You have to specify the two parameters for this update. Okay, so we have to specify the update key. So based on which key you want to perform the update, here I have taken the name and I have used update mode is update only, right? So generally whenever you are going to perform the export to the rdbms, by default it is insert, right? The update mode is insert. So means if you don't write this update mode, it will insert the record, the whatever the new rows you are going to add it, that will be inserted into at the end of the file. But what I want to do, I don't want to insert the new records. I just want to change the value. Suppose consider, so previous the particular employee is having one salary, but now I have updated the salary with new value. Now now that I want to reflect the same thing in MySQL database too, right? So I have changed the value in a file. So I just want to reflect those things, those changes into the MySQL database, so that we have to run Sqoop import like this, so that whatever the changes you have made into the text file in SDFS will be reflected into MySQL database. Right? For that, you have to run the Sqoop export with an updated mode.